Hola amigas, welcome to mi closet. Can I just start off by saying that it's actually not that bad. During the week, I had this closet way worse, guys. Like this whole side right here was full of just clothes that I take off and just throw because I don't have time to put back up. And yeah, it's actually a lot better. I organized my denim a little bit, but today we are going to be going in through all these pieces of clothing and seeing what I'm not wearing and just kind of reset for summer because there's a lot that I'm not wearing and a lot that I'm noticing that I have that I don't have the desire to wear. So I just don't want to keep hoarding it. I just want to get rid of it. I might try on some pieces and see if, they still fit my body or not. This is starting to get actually quite heavy because I just filled up my water bottle. I do want JC to come in here eventually and have him start sorting through his stuff because it's getting out of hand on his side. You guys know already, if you've seen my closet clean outs, my closet is very small. We just do whatever works. We do have, I'm gonna just shove this in here and see if we can close these up really quick, but I'm gonna see if we can, I think the first thing that I really want to go through is all these bottoms because this is what I've been staring at the most, and there's a lot in here that I don't get to see, or I do see and I don't like. And there are some shorts mixed in here. That's why I want to kind of go through this and see if okay, am I going to be wearing these, or do I just think they're super cool, but I'm not fully confident in wearing them. There's one particular short that I'm thinking of, but let's get started. Hi, I'm back. We're gonna do some skincare. So we're gonna continue with the closet clean out. So first things first, this rack. Okay, I'm gonna make a pile of stuff that I potentially want, but I need to try on, and then things that I'm just gonna for sure just get rid of. This one right off the bat, I really want to try it on. The last time it did fit me a little snug around the hips. I might or might not fit into it now. So we are gonna put the brown mini skirt aside. I still have not had a chance to wear this denim circle skirt. I really love it, but I just don't think circle skirts are for me. I've worn this only once, and every time I wear a circle skirt, I don't know why, I feel like it makes me look older. And that's just me and my personal opinion on how I look in this. It is very cute. I love it, and I love the pockets, and I love the pleats in the front, the wash, how it's kind of worn in. It's so, so beautiful. This yoke detail stitching in the back. But honestly, guys, I don't know. Maybe I'll try her on, but I just feel like I'm not gonna like how it looks again. This skirt I'm keeping forever. This is one of those skirts that I've had since high school, and I just want Garamia to have this one day when she's older. So, I just feel like I don't have a lot of clothes still from when I was in high school, and these are one of those pieces that I wanted to have something of mine when I was a teenager, and I don't have a lot. So this is staying in my closet. Hi, Bubba. Can you put it on Mommy's dresser? It's a face mask. Do you want to touch it? Kiss. Can I have a kiss? Oh, I have chapstick on. These pants, I might have shown these to you guys in the past, but they're my absolute favorite. I love the way they fit. They're hip friendly. I love the flare. The only thing is that I might have to get them tailored eventually. Maybe just not now because I'm not going to be wearing them in the summer. But I definitely need to get them tailored because they are super long. And every time I wear them, I have to wear them with platforms. Sometimes I just want to wear them casually. So I need to get them tailored. Oh, no. No, these corduroy Bermuda shorts, I love them so much, but someone made them into shorts. So they're wrongly I don't know, they're sewed. I just have to sew them in one more time on the sides because they unfold because they just sewed the bottom, but not the top where they folded. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of these and what's called, do some, what is it called? Do some sewing on these and get rid of them, because I just don't like the way they make me look, and I feel like they make my butt look super flat, so we're not wearing those. This is a 3-piece set. I'm keeping this because I just love these pants. They're so comfortable. Okay guys, quickly, this is what I'm getting rid of. It's kind of a lot. Okay, I didn't think it was honestly gonna be this much. And let me start off by saying, do you guys remember the pinstripe romper? Yeah, so I wore this yesterday for the Bad Girls Market, and I wore trousers over it because instantly after I put it on, I was like walking around the house and I could just feel it going up, and I was like, oh no, like I'm gonna be so uncomfortable at the market. Tell me why. Like, I just think I have too long of a torso for this. If you're shorter than a 5'4", 5'3", this is for you. I'm gonna put this up in the shop. I just wore it yesterday, so I'm gonna wash it tonight because I have a laundry basket just full of stuff right now. And yeah, it's not for me. Guys, it was so uncomfortable. The whole day I kept grabbing my pants, rolling them up, and then pulling down the romper because it was just riding hardcore. So she's gonna be for sale. We're throwing her there on the floor. But quickly, I'm just gonna do a little time lapse of all the pieces that I'm gonna get rid of so you guys can see them. Try on the pieces that I'm really iffy about. One being this adorable vintage vest. I picked this up a couple years ago from my girlfriend, Malt Liquor Mom. She's the owner of Bad Kids Club. And as much as I love this piece, I think I've worn it like once or twice. And I think it might just be like the color. Oh, actually, So I wanted to retry it on to see how I like it. Okay, actually, I think it fits a little different than before. You know what? Because it's marked a size large. And after the first time that I wore it, I never wore it again. So I think maybe after I washed it, it might have shrunk because I remember it fitting a little bit bigger. And now I'm actually liking the way it fits. How did I not notice that afterwards? Okay, I think I like it. Let me know what you guys think. With this, it's staying in the closet. Another piece I recently thrifted not that long ago, and as much as I love this crocheted vest thing, I just haven't had a chance to style it or try it on after washing it. I just kind of threw it in my closet. That is one large dude, that thing was huge. I don't know how I feel about it. What do you guys think? I do like it. I'm just trying to like think of like fits in my head. But let me know if you guys have any ideas for this down below. Shoot me some ideas if you guys can. Okay, already I'm liking the length of these. But I just think because they're blue, I'm not really liking how they're making the mommy belly look. Like the mommy pooch. And I know you guys probably won't be seeing it, but I see it. And I'm self-conscious. Like this is why I think I don't wear like super bright like pants, because I feel like it makes this more noticeable. That's just something that I need to work on myself before, you know, I need to feel fully confident in my body in order to wear these, and I just don't feel that way. So I think we're gonna say no to these for now. You see, and these are all like bright colored pants that I'm like iffy about. Oh, I love the way they fit. They're very comfortable. Okay, and the mommy pooch isn't super obvious, which I like. I actually might keep these. These pants are iffy because I love the color, but it's gonna be hard for me to wear them in the summer because it's so hot. It's so hot in the summer to wear these. So maybe I can just start wearing them now. Let me know your guys' thoughts below. Oh, these fit so comfortable. Okay, these are I actually like these for work because they're comfortable, they're stretchy, they don't make the butt look too bad. And I love the color. I feel like this is a versatile pant that I can wear all year long and they don't feel hot. Like those pink pants, they feel thick and sturdy and they just feel hot. And I'm glad that these feel like, the corduroy is thin, and I think that's obviously because these are fast fashion. I think these are Forever 21. I remember picking these up at a yard sale and I loved the color and the big pockets. Yeah, I like these. They're good for work. We're gonna keep them. These are the ones I was kind of feeling weird about, so let's try them on. Oh, wow, okay. I actually do like them, but I don't like the butt. Do you guys see it? I feel like the butt looks like long, like too long. Like I like the length of them. I just don't think they are flattering on my body. That fly again. It just ain't it. We're getting rid of them. Yeah, I don't think I like the circle skirt. I do love this skirt. I love the wash on it. Love the yoke detail, but the pleats, the snap buttons, it's a gorgeous skirt. I just don't think it's a skirt for me. I don't wear her enough. I think I've worn her once. So we're gonna say our goodbyes. Last skirt, and I already feel like it's not gonna fit me. Okay, I do like the way this fits. I like the way it hugs my body, but like not like bodycon. It still kind of flares out right here. It is really hip hugging, which is not a horrible thing. But because it is tight right here, it's scrunching up here. And I don't like that. And I just feel like to work in this and walk in this all day is not gonna be comfortable. And it's just gonna go up. Like up every time I walk. So as much as I love this skirt and I feel like I've been needing like a brown mini skirt in my closet for a while. I thought this was gonna be it, but I just don't like what it's doing for my body. It's making this look, yeah. It's okay, we can still be on the hunt. We'll be on the hunt for a brown. Okay, amigas, that is gonna be the end of today's closet clean out video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, talking threads, resetting for June, resetting for summer, and just getting ready for the heat, getting the closet ready for some cool, breezy, and stylish outfits because, oh my God, I just don't know. I feel like I'm not gonna survive this summer, but we will see how the outfits turn out this year. I feel like when summer comes, I get really lazy when it comes to my outfits, so we will see. Maybe making a video on like what I wear or something is gonna motivate me to like dress up and actually try, but we will see how it goes. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, watching, talking threads. I appreciate you so much. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate you guys. You guys literally, amigas, community right here, thrifting community. I love it so much. Love you guys. As always, give your girl a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you guys Thursday with a brand new video. Bye guys.